Have you ever wondered why gas prices always end in 9/10 of a cent? You know, $3.79.9 per gallon. It seems like such an odd detail, but there's actually a fascinating economic reason behind it that goes back nearly a century. This pricing quirk started back in the 1930s during the Great Depression. Gas was incredibly cheap, often just 10 cents per gallon. When taxes were introduced, they were fractions of a cent. Gas stations needed a way to show these tiny tax increases, so they started pricing in tenths of a cent. But here's where psychology kicks in. Retailers discover that prices ending in 9 make products seem cheaper. $3.79 feels significantly less expensive than $3.80, even though the difference is barely a penny. This is called charm pricing, and it works incredibly well on our brains. Gas stations kept the 9/10 pricing even after it was no longer necessary for taxes. Why? Because it gives them a competitive edge. When you're driving down the street comparing prices, that station advertising $3.79 and 9/10 looks cheaper than the one showing $3.80, even though you'll pay virtually the same amount. Today, this fraction of a cent adds up to billions across the industry. It's a perfect example of how a small psychological trick, combined with historical precedent, created a pricing standard that persists decades later. Next time you fill up, you'll know exactly why that little 9/10 is still hanging around.